Oh my goodness, the back of this bowl is just as pretty as the inside of this bowl. Oh, I'm in love. I love this technique. Welcome to Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. We're doing another bowl, so let's go. So today I am using Bond Crafter 1:1 resin, and I'm mixing up 18 ounces. I always put B in first and then A, and then I'm gonna stir this up for 5 minutes at least, and until it's clear, and then I'm gonna separate it, put 2 ounces in each one of these cups, and then we'll start mixing in our colors. Our first color here is Benevolence by This Little Piggy, and I wanted to show you how much I'm putting, like a little heaping spoon of this, and that's what I do for this next one, which is Sangria by TLP. And then the next one is the Copper by SigWong. I put the same amount of mica powder in each cup. Now I am pouring in the rest of the resin that was in my cup into the mold. We'll get it spread out and hit it with a heat gun to get all the air bubbles out. And then I'll use what's left in the bottom of that cup to put some gold glass pieces in. After I get the gold pieces in, I look at my time and I see how long I have for 40 minutes after I mixed. So now this is 40 minutes after I finished mixing. I'm gonna add in those gold pieces on the bottom and start pouring my resin. I'm gonna start with the sangria, and this right here just goes to show you that you do not have to be perfect to end up with a beautiful piece of art, because I can't make a circle. I'm messy and sloppy, and this is actually sped up, and I was trying to go slow and make good circles, but it just didn't happen for me. But like I said, it just goes to show that if you have your techniques down and your resin's the right temperature, it turns out to be a beautiful piece of art. And I absolutely love these bowls. I love them so much, and I think they're going to make beautiful gifts. And they would be great to sell also. So it's just a matter of making them and seeing what you can get, mixing up your colors, trying new colors, different colors. And like I said, I'm pretty messy with it, but I'm just gonna get all my colors in there, and then I'm gonna take what's left in my cups and try and fill some in and see what happens.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half-mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. So I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go if you're reading this now. I spent too many nights with the lights out, replaying this scene where we share the same space, the same beautiful place in my dreams. And I kick at the walls, I keep tripping on old memories, and I try to sing along to the song on this old record machine, but I can't get the words to come out right. I forget this old melody. If you're reading this now, know I'm wondering how things will be if I bump into you, or the things that you do when I leave. There's a million little things that I'll miss. Just know that somehow you don't need another reason to leave me if you're reading this now. I'm a long ways away, but
Okay, let's pop this beauty out of here. And there it is. Woo! Sure is party. Oh, I love these colors. Look at that. Here's the back of it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Woohoo! I love it. I'll take it out in the light tomorrow. Gorgeous. So here it is sitting on my kitchen table, and it's still not enough light to do it any justice because this is absolutely gorgeous with the shimmer and the shine. And I'm just going to have to take it into the sunlight so you can see how beautiful it is, because it really is beautiful. Here we go. Look at those colors. Is that not beautiful? I absolutely love this bow. And the bottom is just as beautiful as the top. The colors, it's just amazing. I absolutely love it. Okay, guys, up first was August with August Acrylic Art, and then Tanya with Creations with Tanya. So I hope you go back and watch them, and a special thank you to all my subscribers, all my supporters. I love you all, and thank you for being here. I hope you love this bowl. Let me know down in the comments. And then if you have some color suggestions, that would be great. I'd love some color suggestions. All right, everybody. I'll see you next Monday. And thanks for watching.